Hey guys, this is me way back in 2012, right after my big chop, and I've grown my hair out to a pretty good length, and then I decided to ruin it. In this video, I'll show you how we got here, and in a future video, I'll answer your questions and comments, so make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe so you don't miss that. Also, leave your questions and comments down below. I'm starting on dirty hair. It's not filthy, but it hasn't been washed in a few days, and I knew sectioning would take the longest time, so I stretched my hair by twisting it, and then I sectioned it in the parts that you see here. I mixed up two different dyes. This one in the solo cup has a very smooth consistency, but I had trouble mixing the other one. I think the problem is that I doubled the mixture and I didn't stir it well enough, but it is what it is. Yeah, I put that little bit on and then I thought about wiping it right off. Then I kept going. I'm blending out that harsh line and I'm trying to use my natural hair color as a shadow root. Because this was my first section, I spent quite a bit of time trying to get the right amount of product on it and just making sure that I did it right. I kept this top portion separated because I wanted to try to do a money piece. I was extra nervous right here because I was so close to my eyes and my eyes were burning. I thought I was about to make myself go blind. Let me tell you why I started at the front. I have a lot of hair and I always run out of products. And so I just wanted to make sure that the front of my hair was done. And if I didn't have enough for the back, then I would be okay. I used way more dye on the front of my hair than I planned on, so at this point I was kind of panicking and sectioning went out the window. As you can see, it worked out, so I was able to fully coat the back of my hair. Psych! Your girl played herself. I still had a third of my head left. My thought process at this point was that if I at least get it on the ends of my hair, then it'll blend in and everything will be okay. As you'll see in the next clips, I was trying to scrape up dye from everywhere. After rinsing the dye out, I used Cream of Nature's Plex Breakage Defense Bond Mender treatment. It's their version of Olaplex. Each box comes with a packet of their intensive conditioning treatment and argan oil, but I knew that wouldn't be enough for my hair, so I ended up purchasing this container of the conditioner and I mixed all of it together. This is my hair with the deep conditioner still in, and here's my hair with no products, and it actually feels really good. Back in my late teens, early 20s, I used to wear extensions with number 27, 30, and 4, and this is taking me back to that. So I've been playing around with it. Let me know your thoughts below, ask me any questions, leave your comments, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye!